Welcome to the IDC in 5. This is a program that gives you the opportunity to interact with the IDC. Now, on the program today, we'll respond to a question from Minda.
Could you please elaborate on the role the legal division plays at IDC? Specifically, does the division provide legal guidance on formulation of policies and implementation and represent the entire group in matters of governance, policy formulation and implementation?
To respond to Minda, I have on the program Mrs. Leah Mutonga Ngoma, the Chief Legal Officer here at the IDC.
The legal division provides a dual service. One is the traditional legal service. So we provide legal service to management and the board and the shareholder when we are required, both on an unsolicited and a solicited basis. The other function is in the structure, they call it the company secretarial side, but it's broadly the governance function. I will zero in on what we call the Company Secretary's Handbook. We have more than 36 companies in the IDC Group that are sitting in different economic sectors. And what that means is that even their governance framework may slightly differ from company to company. And so as Chief Legal Officer or as a legal directorate, we provide governance in the sense that the legal service that we provide is a risk mitigant, it's advisory, and it's also operational. For example, all contracts that are executed by the organization have to go through a legal review, amongst other reviews. We are talking about the legal directorate, but as you know, governance spans way past a legal service. Even our colleagues in finance, investments, human capital, all those are governors, and they practice corporate governance within their spaces as well. In terms of compliance, you would be looking at legislation such as the Companies Act. How compliant are we? When you ask about legal cases and the fact that there are not many legal cases that IDC is involved with, that is something that we take pride in and a credit to the risk management function, because litigation is a risk and we do have a risk management framework. We have a risk register as an organization, and the legal risk is one of those risks that are managed by a number of actors, but principally the legal directorate. On an annual basis, we hold what is called a Company Secretaries Group Conference, and that is one of the physical activities where we come together as company secretaries and capacitate each other both internally and externally. So sometimes we invite reputable professionals to come and share with us their knowledge. During that conference, we also provide information to company secretaries in the group of how compliant they are with governance, to respond to the questions that speak to how their institution is being governed and what role they play in that regard. And that study also helps us to identify skills gaps, needs, and so it's a very important exercise.
Well, Maida, I hope that answers your question. What remains of the IDC is to implement its legal reforms and the policies that govern its structures. This is Charles Chulu, and I'll see you in the next conversation.